We don't know which deck it is.
What are we going on?
My one.
It's deck 5.
My one's
Deck 5.
Deck 5.
Yeah.
My
deck
one's
5.
deck 5, so down.
My one's deck 4.
Ah,
Let's go.
my.
Thank you. So, Oceaneers Club, where are we? And an interesting fact about this floor is the ceiling heights are lower to make the little people feel taller.
Yay.
Cool, isn't it?
Like me.
Yeah.
I feel like comfortable over there. Which way?
This way, maybe?
I walked past this earlier.
Oh yeah, I guess this is the middle of the ship. Look at that chandelier.
It is so wobbly today. On the boat.
It is so wobbly today.
My ankle nearly went this way.
No, it didn't.
Kids club.
Oh, Small World Nursery.
That's nursery.
And then Oceaneer Club.
Kids club.
Open day. Oh yeah? Is it? Yes, if please. Yeah. Thank you very much. We can. Yep. Thank you. Wash your hands. And wash your hands too.
It feels weird though.
Is that cool?
It feels nice.
You gotta dry them. Towel. Get a paper towel.
It's not.
Ah, look at this. That's cool.
I'm gonna make Mickey Mouse. It didn't work.
It was close. It was close.
I did it! You missed it, ready?
Well done.
I got started on this.
Yeah. Go on then. Yeah. Woo!
You got start.
Which room would you like to go in first? Or should we wait for...
No, Spider-Man room.
Yeah, we're starting there because we'll wait for Mum.
We're closer.
Yeah. This is cool.
No, come here. Come here. Yeah.
Like an Avengers. Is it just Spider-Man or is it just all Avengers? No, it's just Spider-Man.
What did they even do? Daddy, there's a giant gummy bear.
Where? Oh, do you reckon Ant-Man made it?
Heavy, I can't lift it up.
Ugh.
Sister. Look what I made gummy bears.
Oh, look. Look, they're fighting, throwing out his webs. That's cool.
What's this?
Oh, what's Lil doing, Lace?
It's over here.
Oh, touch the screen, Lace? No?
Move, watch. Watch. Can I get one with spider? Ready?
Yeah, we can do that.
Look at all of his stuff.
It's a lot of stuff.
Look at all of his trophies.
It's a lot of trophies.
Why does it look this?
Pardon? Oh, yeah.
Come on, let's
And did you?
Mum, watch out the way.
Slinky dog.
What's in it? Toys.
This is a pretty cool room though, isn't it?
How clever is this? Mummy's got a sewn seat.
We've got drawing pads.
Yeah.
Do some drawing. Got ABC Roundup. Got a toy box. Mr. Potato Head.
Listen,
Got a piggy bank.
can I have a coin?
I don't think I got any coins, bro.
I know.
Toys.
Oh, you missed it, Dad. You gotta go here. Dad, come here.
Woo! Well done. Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. To infinity. What are you doing? Is that TV? You can even see his tail, look.
I know.
That's funny. Go stand by him, see how tall he is. Stand by him. What was that? That was Woody. Hi, guys. Oh, Slinky Dog.
His body got
I'm Buzz.
cut off. His body got cut off.
Oh, no.
It's not there.
Give him a hug. Say, hi, Rex.
Hey, Rex. Nice to meet you. It's because I love you.
I thought you were just doing it.
Oh look, there's a big walkie-talkie.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even see the walkie-talkie.
Wait, we're the toys. That's why everything's so big.
We are the toys.
Yeah.
This is a cool room, though. I like this room. Slinky Dog.
I thought the toilets were shut off.
Yeah. And his room. Looks like a theatre stage. Not sure what this is. Hi, Stitch. And then you come through. Got some toilets. Go on then. Oh, is it? There's a little toilet for you. Your little butt.
It's a low squat.
See the size of that toilet?
That's tiny.
Lots of little stations to wash their hands.
Toilet?
That's pretty cool. And then through there, it looks like you got Star Wars. Ah. Yeah. And through here, looks like you got another little area that's closed off. Bit more of a quiet area, games. Lacey used the Monsters Inc. Mike Wazowski. They're a better height, aren't they?
I really have to lean down.
Yeah. Dry your hands. Can you? Look, it's leaving a footprint behind you. Yeah, we'll check out Star Wars. Oh, it's R2-D2. What we got over here then? Got Uno. Oh, you play this with Nanny and Papa, don't you?
No.
You do?
I haven't played it before.
What? I'm sure we did this one Christmas.
You might.
Ah, you can fly a spaceship over there as well.
I'm making a house.
It's pretty cool. Just keeping an eye on everyone. R2-D2.
These are fun, aren't they, Mum? We need to buy some.
Got iPads on their
Nanny's got some.
actual consoles. How cool is that? Not sure what they've got on them though. Oh, just for the games. That's pretty cool.
That's the older sister's room.
It's a pretty good house.
That's the older sister's room, by the way. And then let me just get
Oh no.
Lily's house keeps collapsing.
It does. Oh look, you can fly your own Millennium Falcon. I can hear you, Chewie. Are you the pilot? Lil, we need to go to light speed. Oh, you've gone into light speed.
Chewie!
What are you doing on the windscreen? Put it in light speed. And then you've also got Pixie Hollow. It's got Rapunzel in here. And some tablets. Oh, some fairies. So cute. Let's go. You wash your hands again. You like this machine?
Yeah, my magic bag just got soaking.
It's okay. They're allowed to get wet. Is that good fun?
Yep.
Yeah, like the Oceaneers Club.
We're coming back.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going down this Oh, right in here.
Oh.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.